Welcome back to the cabin. It's the first week in October. I figured I'd come up for the week, see what the foliage looks like, do a little work, and get a little R&R. Alright, so I'm going to do a check in the batteries here, battery voltage, before I turn on the circuit breaker to the solar panels. So these have been sitting here by themselves for a couple weeks, and don't know if you can see it, but they're full 12.92. Just notice I get a little corrosion on that terminal. I'm going to have to get some baking soda and clean that up. So I cleaned up the corrosion on the battery terminal. Use some baking soda and a wire brush to clean that up. So I got to get some battery terminal protector / lubricant so that doesn't happen again, but I think we're good for now. So with the shed, I have to change my mode of operation. Usually I kept the wheelbarrow inside the cabin so it wouldn't rust up, but now that we have space to keep it in the shed, I go to the shed first, get the wheelbarrow out, and then use it to help me unload the Jeep. Also keep the cabin a lot cleaner, not dragging sand in on the wheels. I'm going to do a little more work on the cabin here. I've got some nails I've got to bang in that I missed before, and then I want to start painting it too. So it's good weather, nice and dry for painting. So let's get at it. So I have to cut this triangular board so I can fit it up in the corner there where you see the 2x4 above the sheathing. So I got to cut this piece so it'll fit in there on both sides. Well, it looks like a zebra now, but I painted the trim and I painted the slots in the T111, and then next will be to go over the rest of the siding with the paint roller. This tree fell last winter. The top of it was hung up in another tree. Since then, the top broke off and it's fallen to the ground. So I'm going to check this with a axe, see if that wood's good for firewood. It's got some moss on it, so if the moss is eaten into it, then it's not going to be any good. But I noticed the top of the tree is still hung up. Still hung up in that tree, which is dangerous. Don't know if I can pull that down or not. Trying to remove the brush and weeds from the hillside here. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. These small scrub pines grow like weeds up here. It's like nature, the forest, is trying to take back its land, and you got to stay ahead of it. That'll do for now. Let's see how we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Got them all on the paper. Let's see. Inside my ring, what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and maybe 10. So I'm getting better. Still got a long way to go. Let's see how we did with the 9mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 shots. Maybe I missed one. I need more practice. I'm also shooting low. So as you can tell, I haven't used my trailer this year. So I want to hook the car up to it and move it around a bit. Well, that is going to do it for this trip. Got a little bit of work done. Got to enjoy the peace and quiet. The leaves just starting to turn. I don't know if it's going to be a good foliage season or not this year, because it's been very dry, but we'll see. So thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you back at the cabin next time.